Why one top Vietnamese university is making English its second language. Vietnam's National Economics University is taking a bold step. It plans to make English its second official language by 2030. The university, one of the country's most respected institutions, aims to prepare students for a more global future. By expanding English language classes, increasing requirements for English fluency, and training faculty, NEU wants graduates who can thrive in both local and international workplaces. This shift reflects Vietnam's broader ambitions. As the country grows its trade ties and opens up to foreign investment, English is becoming more than just a subject. It is now seen as a key skill for success. NEU leaders say that strong English skills will give students more career opportunities, help them compete in global job markets, and support their studies abroad. Students who once learned English only for tests are now expected to use it in real lectures, discussions, and research. Of course, the plan comes with challenges. Many students still struggle with academic English, and some professors will need further training. NEU says it will offer tutoring, clubs, and other support to help everyone adjust. While the full transition will take years, it signals a clear message. English is not just useful, it is essential. For Vietnamese students, learning English may no longer be optional. It may be the difference between staying local and going global.